Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a PR haul. I have a few things to share here that brands have sent me, a couple things I'm really excited about. I have a couple makeup and skincare products and some hair care to share today, new releases from brands, and a couple things I'm actually already test driving and wearing on my face. So if you'd like to hear a little bit about some new releases, things that are coming out, things to put on your radar, go ahead and keep watching. First up, we have It Cosmetics. It Cosmetics is one of my favorite, definitely top 5 beauty brands. They have so many amazing products and many that I've recommended over the years on my channel. This mailer came in this really cute Stony Clover travel pouch. It says your skin but better, which is like the motif on most of their products. They have launched a new foundation. This is the Your Skin But Better Foundation Plus Skincare. It is a waterlight medium coverage with natural radiant finish. This is the foundation I'm wearing today. This is light neutral 21.5, but I also have light cool 20, maybe more of my winter shade. And I've been testing it out for a week or so and I really like it. It actually made my Friday favorites that I share over on Instagram. Make sure you're following me there if you're not already. I kind of do like a mini favorites video every single Friday on my Instagram, just sharing what I'm testing, what I'm loving. I really like this foundation because it is like a sheer formula, but it does have some coverage to it. You know, a lot of the water light foundations I've used in the past just really weren't my cup of tea. I just need a little bit of coverage when it comes to foundation. Otherwise, I'm not gonna put it on at all. And if I want like serious coverage, I'll go for my It Cosmetics CC, either the original classic or the oil-free. This has 0 SPF, so if you need some SPF, I would recommend the It Cosmetics CC. I use this with a brush. They sent over, I think this is the 704, and I actually have a few of these, so I already know I love this brush. It Cosmetics makes fabulous synthetic fiber brushes and they're really high quality. They last forever and they work amazingly with their products. You know me, when it comes to brushes, I like to have a few on hand so I can constantly pull for a clean one when I want to do my makeup. This foundation has hyaluronic acid, aloe vera, vitamin E, a bunch of skin loving ingredients in it. They also have launched a Your Skin But Better setting spray. Now I haven't used this quite yet. Again, with those skin loving ingredients like hyaluronic acid, coconut water, aloe vera extract. So I haven't tested this quite yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it into the rotation. Now I really like the foundation so far, but when it comes to like giving a review, I have to road test it with other concealers, primers, and powders to see what kind of works best. Stay tuned for more thoughts on the foundation coming soon. Next up, we have some brow products from a new to me brand called Arches and Halos, and they're available at Target, in-store, and online. So first, I've been testing out this Arches and Halos Neutral Brown Luxury Brow Pomade, and here it is. I am wearing it on my brows today, and this is the Arches and Halos Brow brush. It has the slanted tip on one end and the spoolie on the other. Here is a look at the pomade. It is that perfect neutral medium brown. And let me tell you, this is a really waterproof, long wear brow product. With brow pomades, you want to use a super light hand. Less is more because it's super pigmented and again, very long wearing. So just work your way up slowly to get the shape you want and then brush it out with the spoolie. Really liking this so far, and it comes in a bunch of different colors. It's also vegan and cruelty free. They sent over 2 brushes and one's kind of not so good quality and the other one's perfect. So I opened them up and I was like, wait a minute, like, is this the same brush? This one kind of rattles a little bit. You can tell that the ferrule's a little bit loose on the slant tip end, but this one feels really sturdy and well made. So just something to keep in mind. Other than that, like the good quality brush works great, and I have used it on my brows today. And if you just need like a total brow makeover, you just want to try a little bit of everything, they have this Ultimate Brow Hero kit, and I have this in the shade medium. And in this kit, you get a dual-sided powder, you get a skinny precision pencil, you get a spoolie with a small brush, you get a brow gel, you get a slanted tip pencil, and a set of tweezers. If you are holiday shopping for a makeup lover, this is a wonderful gift to give because it gives you like everything start to finish with brows. You have every single thing in this kit that you need to create the most perfect, most amazing, most precise, beautiful brow. Also, like the tweezers in this kit seem to be really good quality. I haven't tested them out yet. I should also mention that this brand is a makeup artist designed brand. It's Arches and Halos by Tanya Crooks. So she is a professional makeup artist. So obviously she knows her stuff when it comes to brows. This is a great option. Again, very giftable, and you get everything all in one. So I'm gonna be stocked up on brow products for a very long time. Next up, I have a ton of stuff to share from Mediheal. And Mediheal, if you've never heard of it before, it is the #1 sheet mask brand out of Korea. And if you haven't seen my South Korea vlog from a couple years back, I will link it up above. I actually went to the Mediheal flagship store. Skincare is just on another level in South Korea. So the brand is actually starting to increase their presence in the US a little bit more, and I'm here for it. This is kind of their hero product of the moment. This is their Whitening Bubble Tox Serum Mask. And this is a sheet mask that you can put on for 5 minutes. It will start to foam up. I love the black and holographic packaging. So I actually have to be pretty careful with sheet masks because of my carrageenan allergy, but I'm pretty sure all of these products are good. I took a quick once over at the ingredients and everything looks good to go. I've used a lot of their sheet masks in the past and never had any problems. I'm looking forward to trying this out. Make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's probably where I'll be sharing these first. They have this Soothing Bubble Tox Serum Mask. I think this one's supposed to be a little more hydrating than the last one. If you've never seen these are really fun. This is kind of like a 2-part sheet mask. You get the sheet mask in the bottom and then you get like a little ampule of product to activate right when you're ready to use it. This is their Hydro Advanced Capsule Hydration Treatment Mask. So this one's supposed to be moisturizing, exfoliating, and cooling. Next up, we have the Tea Tree Essential Blemish Control Mask. I have oily combination, sensitive, and eczema prone skin, but I love a good tea tree product because that kind of gets to the root of my problem, which is congestion on my nose and my T-zone and clogged pores. And tea tree is just an ingredient that works really well for me. A lot of their masks have this really unique logo design where as the mask dries, the logo appears letting you know when to remove it. Some skincare experts say that if you leave it on too long, it can start to lift and leach moisture out of your skin. So make sure that you're following the directions. Once you see the logo, you know it's good to go. Mediheal is like the only brand that I've seen do that, and I think it's just really smart. So this one is supposed to be calming, balancing, and pore tightening. And then next is the HDP Photo Ready Tightening Charcoal Mask. This is supposed to help clarify, purify, and minimize pores. So looking forward to trying this one out. I'm actually gonna be leaving on a trip here pretty soon, so I'm gonna pack a few of these with me so I can use them on the go. I feel like my skin's always depleted when I travel. Finally, Mediheal sent over the Sleeping Melting Nose Pack. This is a pore strip, and I love me some pore strips. This is what the individual container looks like. It looks a little bit different maybe than the pore strips we're used to, say from Biore. Mediheal is known for the sheet masks. I haven't heard anything about the pore strips, so definitely looking forward to trying these out because pore strips, as controversial as they are in the skincare community, they're still something I personally use and I find super effective. So definitely gonna pack a few of these on my trip as well. Last up, we have some new releases from Moroccanoil. These are available on Sephora and they retail for $28 each. So first we have the Volumizing Mist. This is an ultra light formula with flexible hold. My one question is this something you use when your hair is wet or dry? I'm curious because with the Moroccanoil original treatment, I use it on both wet and dry hair. Mist through clean hair from roots to ends for hold and finishing results. So I will test this on both wet and dry hair. It just says clean hair, so we will see. You can probably tell my hair is very fine and very flat, especially on day one. So looking forward to testing this out. I know when I get my hair done in a salon, they always use some kind of like root lift, volumizing spray, and just, I can never quite figure out how to do it myself at home without getting that like gunky root feeling. And this is for fine textured to medium textured hair. The other new release is their all-in-one leave-in conditioner. This is for all hair types, and this is all about hydration. It's supposed to instantly detangle and give you up to 72 hours of softness. This is something that I want to use right away. I have extremely fine, tingly hair, so I love leave-in conditioners and detanglers because they help avoid all that, you know, wear and tear from brushing out your hair and the potential breakage that happens getting those tangles out. Stay tuned for more on these, but I will be testing both of these out right away. All right, friends, that is a wrap for today's video. Those are all the new products that have recently come in that I'm going to be testing out. Cool new releases from brands, maybe some new things to put on your radar, and potentially some gift ideas if you're already thinking about your holiday shopping list. It's never too early to prepare for that, am I right? If you're new here, make sure you subscribe down below. I do post new videos weekly. I'm trying to stick to my 2 videos a week schedule. Sometimes, you know, things happen, but I'm trying my best to get back on track. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description box below. If you have any questions, leave a comment and hit the video with a thumbs up before you go. I'll see you very soon in the next one.